if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank KraftGeek for sending me over this tripod and sponsoring this video today. If you guys want to see this tripod and check it out, I'm going to share all the details with you guys. Please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. All right, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this tripod that I got from KraftGeek. It is so freaking sleek. It is so freaking sleek and portable. I love it. It is easy for traveling. You can also use it as a selfie stick as well. It's perfect for your phone, and then it also it adjusts here on the neck. You can bend it down, and then you can also bend it up, so it gives you all types of different angles. But before all of that, look how cute that is. The coolest part about this thing is all you have to do is slam it on the ground, and boom, it pops right open. And then to close it, you just lift and snap. So all you have to do is drop it, and it just flares out like that. It also, it gets really tall, so I believe it's like 64 inches, but if I'm wrong, I'll put it at the bottom of the screen. Super tall, just keeps going and going. Then if you just want it to be like a selfie stick, all you have to do is boom, just bend the top of it so you can get a nice little angle on there, and then we've got a selfie stick. And then the last thing I want to show you guys before I go is this little remote control that you can hook up through Bluetooth, which is really convenient. So you can take all your pictures and start your videos hands-free, which is really convenient, and it already comes with a battery. It's really convenient. But yes, this tripod is perfect for like traveling, for doing all your content. You can do the overhead content if you want like your phone facing straight down, you can do that. And yes, it's just super nice and portable and sleek. It's nice and durable. It's not flimsy at all. Really nice quality. Love it. Yes, so I have been using this for like the last, I don't know, maybe like week, and it works pretty well. Make sure you guys check out KraftGeek. I will have all their information in the description box below. I believe this also comes in other colors as well, so definitely check this out. Like look how just slim and sleek it is. I love it. I love it. But yes, thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Thank you again, KraftGeek, for sending over this tripod to me. I appreciate it. You guys go ahead and check it out. It's perfect for all our new content creators. It's perfect for travel. It's perfect for sit down videos. It's perfect all around the house. And then of course, it's a perfect little selfie stick. Thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to check out the description box for all the information. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.